You eat every 2 hours. You choose clean food, healthy snacks. You're doing everything you've been told is right. So why is your body still hoarding fat like it's preparing for a long, cold winter? The answer has nothing to do with how many calories you eat. It has everything to do with a single metabolic switch inside you. And for most people, that switch is stuck in the wrong position all day long. Here's how it works. Every single time you eat, even something as healthy as an apple or a handful of almonds, your pancreas releases insulin. This isn't optional, it's an automatic biological response. Insulin's main job is to move glucose from your blood into your cells for energy. But here's the critical piece of information that most nutrition advice completely ignores. While insulin is present in your bloodstream, your body's primary fat-burning enzymes are shut down. Specifically, an enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase, let's call it HSL, is completely suppressed. This isn't just a theory. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation confirmed that even a modest spike in insulin can slash your body's ability to break down stored fat, a process called lipolysis, by up to 50%. So let's connect the dots. You eat every 2 hours, you spike your insulin every 2 hours, and for those 2 hours, your fat-burning machinery is offline. Your window to burn stored fat, it never actually opens. This is where it gets interesting. Researchers at the Salk Institute ran a now famous experiment with mice. They took 2 groups of mice and fed them the exact same food, the exact number of calories. The only difference, one group could eat whenever they wanted, spreading their meals throughout the day. The other group had to eat all their food within an 8-hour window. The result was stunning. The time-restricted group had significantly lower body fat, better metabolic health, and even burned more energy. Same food, radically different outcome. Why? Because that long gap between meals gave their bodies a chance. It allowed insulin to finally fall and clear out of the bloodstream. Once insulin drops below a certain threshold, a signal is sent to reactivate HSL. The vault to your stored fat finally swings open, and your body begins to burn the fuel it has been saving. Think about the cruel irony of grazing on healthy food all day. Your almonds, your Greek yogurt, your protein bar. Each one, no matter how healthy, restarts the insulin clock. Your body never gets that sustained, low insulin signal it desperately needs to flip the switch from storing fat to burning it. And this holds up in humans. A 2019 trial in the Journal of Cell Metabolism followed 19 adults with metabolic syndrome for 16 weeks. They were told to eat in a restricted time window, but not to change their calorie intake. The results? They lost body weight and saw significant reductions in blood pressure and other metabolic risk factors. The key variable wasn't what they ate, it was when they stopped. So the science isn't suggesting starvation or obsessive tracking. The mechanism is simple. Give your insulin time to fall. A compressed eating window, even a generous 10 or 12 hours, combined with avoiding snacks between meals, allows your body to complete this cycle. It's what unlocks hormone-sensitive lipase and shifts you from a storage state into a mobilization state. You don't need to eat less, you just need to eat less often. Now, there is one more piece to this puzzle, a single hormone that can override all of this. It can keep your insulin elevated even when you haven't eaten for 12 hours. It's produced by stress, it's invisible, and it is almost certainly affecting your results right now.